everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is my first vlog. The purpose I'm making this vlog is to fulfill an English assignment about self-quarantine. Now it's 5:30 p.m. already. I just got home from work. Before that I want to say if as long as there is COVID-19, I still work. But during work also I still wear a mask and wash my hand off. During COVID-19, I also pay attention to my food and drink, and of course I'm always drink more warm water. During COVID-19, I go out of the house just for go to working. Other than that, I'm not going anywhere. And during self quarantine, I often cook at home. Usually I make a snack, even though before I didn't like cooking, and now I want to cook ayam ketchup for dinner. Hello everyone, now I'm in the kitchen. I want to cook ayam ketchup with my version. Now it's the some flavor. It have onion, garlic, chili, and ginger, and some of there like ketchup, roiko, and sorry. And let's start it.